Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about the last update in XOS Airdrop. We will teach you how to apply for the Airdrop whitelist step by step, so keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. First, there is a link down below in the description box, so copy that link and then open MySys browser and paste the link into the search bar, and then you will land on this page. And as you see, we need to connect our wallet, so click on Connect Wallet and choose the same wallet that you used before to join this airdrop. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Then you will land on the dashboard, and as you see at the bottom there is a new message which tells you to apply for token whitelist. You can click on Apply Now, or you can keep scrolling until you reach to this section, Whitelist Status. So click on Apply Now. You will be redirected to this page, and here there is a knowledge quiz, so let's answer those questions one by one. The first question is, what's the token symbol of X operating system? Choose the first option. Next, what consensus mechanism does XOS use? Choose the second option. Third question, what hardware is needed to run a full node? Choose the last option. And for the last question, which statement about the advantages of XOS over BOW era Ethereum is incorrect? Choose the third option. Now click on Next Step. You will be redirected to this page, and this is an optional step. If you want, you can post this tweet on X platform by clicking on Post Tweet button on the left side, but for now I will skip it and click on Next Step. And finally, if you have published that post, copy and paste its link inside this box and click on Submit Application. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. And as you see, we have successfully submitted an application for the whitelist. You can come here back in the next few days to check out if you have approved or not. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon, guys. Good luck.